Welcome to Man That's Cooking. In this video, we're going to show you how to make smoked grilled chicken sandwiches. Oh yeah, never had one of these before? This is boss. Yes, we're starting out with two 4-pound chickens. You can use whatever weight chicken you like. Remember, the heavier the bird, the longer the cook. Now you can see Man here is cutting out the backbone using kitchen shears, and he's going to snip here through the breastplate and flatten the bird. Now that's called spatchcocking, and what that does is it allows this bird to cook evenly so that the dark meat and the white meat will finish at the same time. As we always say, don't throw out these backbones, save them, freeze them, and use them to make your own broth. Now when you're done cutting the backbones out of these birds, put them in a 1-gallon zip seal bag. And you should also use heavy-duty freezer bags because these bones might pierce through the bag. So you may want to double bag these. And now we're going to make a brine. Typical formula for a brine is 4 cups water, 4 tablespoons salt. You can see Man here is using 1 tablespoon of salt, and he's throwing in some herbs like powdered sage, dried thyme, and dried rosemary. Now instead of using water for this brine, we're going to use some apple juice, and we're going to use about 1 or 2 cups. That's why we used only 1 tablespoon of salt. Now you can go as heavy with the liquid as you want, but you probably don't want to use these zip seal bags if you're going to add a lot of liquid. But definitely try out the apple juice. It gives it a great background flavor. So if you believe in science, never wash your chicken in the sink. You're going to contaminate your entire family. It's dry rub time, and we're going to rip the skin off just like that because it's not about presentation. This is pulled chicken. You can see Man here has flipped the thigh and drums out just like that, and he's going to season everything nice and heavily. Flip the bird, season the backside. And once you've done that, go ahead and flip the bird back. We're going to put the skin back in place. And that skin's going to keep the meat from drying out, but it kind of looks like a wrinkly Yoda.
I see the barbecue force is strong within this one.
No joke, my little green friend. So we're going to add some pecan wood pellets, and we're going to set the smoker up at 250 degrees. And when the smoker reaches temp, we're going to add the birds. So Man's going to add these pans that were used when prepping the birds. And that's going to catch any drippings. There's not going to be too much of that. But the idea is when you're doing the pulled chicken part, you want to get your chicken juiced up in those drippings. I don't know if you can handle this or not. I think you might be able to. Alright, so we've reached at least 150, and we're going to pull these birds and get the grill fired up. Alright, we're at our final cooking phase. We're going to drop these 2 birds skin side down on the grill. The grill is at a low temperature, and we're going to cook with the lid closed. After you flip the chickens, cook them until you reach at least 165 in the breast and 175 in the thigh. After that, go ahead and pull the chickens and let them rest for at least 10 minutes. They're going to be pretty hot, but you can beat the heat like Man here is doing by using these black nitrate gloves with a glove liner. Keep your hands from burning up. Look it up on the Amazons. Now after you get your chicken pulled, you want to just break apart everything and try to feel for some bones because right there you see one. Hey, with chicken, this is hard to get all the bones taken out. You see that one right there? If you don't see it, yeah, you're probably going to eat one yourself. This ain't pulled pork, my friends. Pulled chicken's a little more delicate. Make sure you get all the bones out, and your guests will be happy. So let's put some sandwiches together. We're going to start by using 2 slices of baby Swiss, and we're going to pile on some pulled chicken, followed by some Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce and some dill pickles. Of course, you can make your sandwiches as you like, but hey, check out those buns, hun. If you want some melted cheese, which is always a good idea, toss these in the toaster oven for a few minutes and you've got it. So hey, thanks for watching this video. We hope you like it. If you do, click like and click subscribe. Feel free to leave us some comments, give us some love, give us some hate, whatever you're thinking, let us know. Oh, and if you're going to hate, hey, try to be a little constructive. Tell us what we could do different or better, blah, blah, blah. Come and follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, MannyNatsCooking.com. We got more recipes there. Hope to see you on our next video.